All right, everyone, welcome to another lesson. Today we are going to be looking at index number. Index number. And index number is just a statistical measure that shows changes in a variable or group of related variables over time. It shows changes in a variable or group of related variables over time. So it can somehow tell you how much something like prices, quantities, or production changes compared to a base year. So compared to a base year. So you can't do comparison without making use of base year. Base year, you can call it the basis of your argument, but we don't call it that, but I'm just calling it the basis of your argument. And normally I'm going to compare it with current year. So we have uses of index numbers. One of the uses is that it is used to measure inflation or deflation. It can be used to compare cost of living over time. Then the last one is that it can be used as an economic measure to monitor the economy of a country. So there are many uses of index number, but these are the few that are important to us. We have types of index number, but those types of index number we are going to solve questions related to them. First of all, let us look at simple index number on bracket unweighted. Simple index number unweighted. That's without weight, right? Unweighted. Simple index number unweighted. So the formula is for simple price index. Formula is price in current year over price in base year times 100. Price in current year over price in base year times 100. All right. So in some textbooks you see something like this: P1 over P0 times 100, or you can call it Pn over P0 times 100, where Pi or Pn is equal to what? Price in current year, and P0 is just price in base year. Okay, this is just the formula for simple index number, or we can call this our simple price index. This is the formula. You use this, or you use this, or this. Okay, so let's take a question. The question is, if the price of which food stuff am I going to use? If the price of Maggi, all right, was 80 naira in the base year. Let me use base year. Let me not use a particular year. If the price of Maggi was 80 naira in the base year, right? And 120 naira in the current year, and 120 naira in the current year, right? Calculate the simple price index. Calculate the simple price index. Okay, let me restructure this question. Sometimes you will not be told which one is the base year or which one is the current year. So what if the question is, if the price of Maggi is 80 naira in 2005 and 120 naira in 2025, which one will be the base year and which one will be the current year? That should be your question. I just put base year and current year to make something to move smoothly. So in that question that I just asked, the base year is what? 2005. The current year is what? 2025. Because we are currently in 2025. The year that we are comparing it with is far back 2005. Okay, so the formula is for simple index, price index is equal to P what? N over P O times what? 100. But remember that P N is equal to price in what? Current year, and PO is equal to what? Price in what? Base year. So we'll have price 80 naira is what? The base. So we'll have 120 over 80 times 100%, because the current year is 120, it's not 100. 120. All right. So what are we going to have here? 120 over 80 is what? 120 over 80 is what? 1.5, right? 1.5 times 100. So the answer would be 1.5 times 100 is what? 150. So is 150. Is this the answer? No. We are going to say that the price of Maggi increased by 50%. So as required. That's all for simple price index.